Hey friends, this is Latif Hope here, Val, and welcome to the new update on Book of Meme. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently Book of Meme has once again reached the resistance of an ascending triangle. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, and this was the ascending triangle, and now you can see that still it is moving very close to the resistance. Recently, the price is once again rejected by this resistance. By the way, here we have this support, uptrend line support, and the resistance of the triangle is here, approximately at 1.13 cents. And after the rejection, the price is again moving very close to this resistance of the triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. At the same time, you can see that the price is also moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern, and whenever it is getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, then it is forming higher highs and higher lows as well. This time after this bounce, the price has formed another higher than the previous high, and we will also analyze this recent rally as well. And I would also like to show you another breakout that has happened on the same daily time frame chart from this quite big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared recently 2 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 19% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared 2 days ago with my members. And that was expected harmonic bullish reverse guardly pattern that book of meme was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal buying on and the sell target on and the stop loss. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this card, I told my members that we can expect some further drop once it will be entered inside this buying zone. That starts from 9450 and goes to $0.008594. Then we can expect the next reversal from here. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price can drop more down. And here just touched the buying zone after the completion of this fine leg here. It pumped very well, and so far it has pumped almost 19%. Before that, we caught almost 56%, very, very massive pump. And this signal I shared a few days ago on 9th of November 2024 with my members, almost 10 days ago. And this was another harmonic bullish reverse guard pattern that Book of Meme was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price can drop more down and enter the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reverse, and so far it has pumped almost 56%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Book of Meme. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern. This is the resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern that was previously working as a support here. Then we had this bounce, but after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And you can see that whenever the price is getting bounced on the support of the broadening rising wedge pattern, then it is forming higher highs and higher lows. This time, by the way, the price did not form another higher than previous high, but after testing the support, it formed another higher than the previous high here. And after this bounce, it has formed another higher than previous high. Now, the price is also trying to break out an ascending triangle as well on the same daily time frame chart. And for the past few days, you can see that it is moving inside at very close to the resistance of the triangle. For example, if this time it will be once again rejected and drop down to the support, then it can test the support of the triangle somewhere here, approximately at $0.0072. And by the way, the technical target in case of breaking out this triangle for this triangle's breakout will be here. That will be approximately at 2.5 cents. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous down channel, that target is, by the way, here, slightly lower than the target for the breakout from the triangle. And the target for the breakout from this channel is here at approximately at 1.8 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.